Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Android Auto in your car, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable hands-free driving features. Step 1. Ensure your car is compatible with Android Auto by checking your vehicle's infotainment system documentation or manufacturer website. Step 2. Download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store on your Android smartphone if it is not already pre-installed. Step 3. Connect your phone to your car's USB port using a high-quality USB cable that supports data transfer. Step 4. Turn on your car's ignition and infotainment system, then unlock your phone to allow the connection. Step 5. On your phone, open the Android Auto app and grant all necessary permissions including location, contacts, and microphone access. Step 6. Follow the on-screen setup instructions, which will guide you through configuring your preferences and linking apps. Step 7. Once setup is complete, Android Auto will launch on your car's display showing compatible apps like Google Maps, music players, and messaging. Step 8. Test the functionality by using voice commands with Google Assistant to navigate, play music, or send messages safely while driving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.